Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Okay, and of course I put like dice. Dice say dice is D. It's a dice. And then of course window c'est une fenêtre. Okay, and then rectangle, rectangulaire or rectangle, a rectangle. A rectangle. You have a flag qui est un drapeau, has a shape, flag has a rectangular shape. An envelope, like those long envelopes, an envelope has, a rectangular shape, for example. Triangle. There are different kinds of triangles. Okay, but in this particular, we'll just talk about the normal triangle. The 180, it's just a normal triangle. Of course, roof. Roof, c'est le toit. Roof, that's a roof. Roof, that you build your house, For example, this, this would be the roof. And then this is a right-sided triangle because the side is going on the side. So it's a right-sided triangle. Okay. And then you have diamond. Diamond or tumble. Diamond has the shape of a diamond. A kite has a shape of a diamond. A kite has a shape of a diamond. I think kite is cerf-volant. I think it is. It's a kite. Si je me trompe pas, it's a cerf-volant. That's a kite. It has, as you can see, it has a diamond shape. Has a diamond shape. A star is the same thing. That's a star, étoile. And then you have an octagon. An octagon. An octagon has 6 sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is an octagon. So an example of an octagon would be a stop sign. A stop sign. See, a stop sign has an octagon shape because it has six sizes. Of course, there's a pentagon. There is, hexagon. So there's so many gons out there. It just depends on the sizes. As it increases, the sizes increases. Okay. So these are examples of the shapes. And right here, I kind of extended it a little bit to kind of a geometrical shape. It's more geometrical. So if you see it, you should know it. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are like 8 plus this 9 examples, and we're going to see more of it here. So you'll be able to know them if you see them. For example, this one. This is simple. This is an arrow. This is an arrow. It's an arrow. Une flèche. La flèche is arrow. It's called arrow. So this is an arrow. This is a heart. This is a heart. Okay, this is a heart. And then this is like a moon shape. Sometimes people say, we'll call it the moon shape, but the right term for it is a crescent. On pense à croissant. I would think about crescent because it has a shape of croissant, the little one. It's a crescent. But you can say moon-like shape. Because moon, c'est la lune. So a moon-like shape or crescent form. It's a crescent. This is just a line, une ligne, a line. So this is a ring because it has a hole in the middle, just like this one that I have, you see? Because it has a hole in the middle. Well, it could be a circle if you wanted to, but we will call this a ring. Qui est censé être comme ring, c'est une bague. So a ring and an earring, ear, ring, and ring. So this is a ring. So there's an empty space here. Okay. And then this is a cylinder. Okay. This would be a cylinder. This one. It's a cylinder. This is more of a geometrical form now that we're going to. A little bit of math. Okay. A cylinder. Okay. This here, think about like an ice cream cone. So this will be a cone. That's a cone, like an ice cream cone. That's a cone. This right here, what would be this one? You think about it. It's like a box or so, okay? This right here is a spiral form. a spiral form. This is a spiral form. This is a pyramid. We know the pyramid of Egypt. The pyramid with this shape here becomes a pyramid. We talked about a circle before. We had a circle, and half of it would be a semicircle. Semi and circle. A semicircle, not semi, but it's pronounced a semi, which is half of a circle. It's a semicircle. This is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, because it has parallel sides. So it's a parallelogram. A parallelogram. This is a cupboard. This is a cupboard. Qui est comme un carton, les quatre côtés. It's a cupboard. This is a cube. A cube. Like Maggie Cube. Okay. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides becomes a pentagon. A pentagon. Remember we talked about octagon that has 6 sizes? So the 5 would be a pentagon. This is a pentagon, okay? Then this one is a triploid. 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 A foil. A triploid. That's one. It has 1, you know. This. Do you see it? It's in the form of an 8 shape. La lettre 8. It's in the form of 8, la lettre 8. So this is called an hourglass. An hourglass. That's how they used to do back in the days when they didn't have clock or watches. They would use this as an hour because it runs in 1 hour. So it's called an hourglass. Hour, comme l'heure. Sorry, there's not really enough space. Hour. And then a glass. Glace comme verre parce que c'est fait en base de verre. So glace et verre, hour c'est le temps, l'heure. Hourglass. So this is an hourglass. So you have a bunch of them. So imagine if you had something spiral, what would you say? So you, for example, let's make some examples. Okay, let's make some examples with it. For example,
Tape 3W suivi d'école au Sénégal.